Hi guys, this is Miss Jerome-Severe coming to read your story. The story that I'm going to read today is called POPPLETON Every Day. POPPLETON Every Day. You've probably seen this book in your classroom. So I'm going to read it. The author name is Cynthia Rylant. The author is the person that's right. Write the story and illustrated by Mark. So what does illustrated mean? That's right. If you say draw a picture, you're absolutely correct. So I am gonna read the story. I wanna this is not like any other book we have read before. This is really like a chapter book. So how do you know it's a chapter book, Miss Jerome? So this is called a table of content. We've been talking about text features. Text features is a different part of a book that lets you know, that helps you understand the story. It gives you an idea. It could be a picture. It could be, so like for example, POPPLETON is the title. So that's a text feature. The illustration is a text feature, so it's part of the story also, and then it helps you understand the story. So looking at the picture, it might give you an idea of what the story is going to be about. Okay, and then this is a table of content. That's a text feature, because if you look at the table of content, it has the name of the story and it has the page you can find it. So that's a table of content. So table of content is part of one of the text feature, because we talked about text feature in the lesson that we did today. So I wanted to just touch base with you what we're doing. So this book is a chapter book. Do you know why I say it's a chapter book? It's a chapter book because it has more than one story. So I am not going to read the second. I'm going to do each chapter a different time. Okay? So here we go. POPPLETON Every Day. So the story we're going to read on this side is going to be about what? The sky. So here we go. The sky. POPPLETON friend Hudson was visiting overnight. Let's go look at the sky, said Hudson. Okay. POPPLETON got blankets and they went to look at the sky. I see the Big Dipper, said Hudson. Yes, said POPPLETON. I see the Little Dipper, said Hudson. Yes, POPPLETON. So where are they? Where are they? Where are they? That's right. If you say they are outside, you are absolutely correct. So I have a question for you. What is Big Dipper say he sees? Okay. I even see Venus, say Hudson. Do you see Venus, POPPLETON? But POPPLETON did not answer. And he did not answer. I wonder what happened. Let's look at the page. His eyes is closed. What's wrong, POPPLETON? asked Hudson. Are you sick? I am dizzy, said POPPLETON. Stars makes me dizzy. Oh dear, say Hudson. Oh dear. The sky is so big and deep, said POPPLETON. I get seasick. Oh my, said Hudson. I wish I could look said Pepperton. But I can't. How sad, said Hudson. Let me think. While Pepperton closed his eye, Hudson thought and thought and thought and thought. What is he thinking about? I have an idea, said Hudson. He cut a tiny hole in his blanket and put it over Pepperton's head. Now you will see only tiny sky, said Hudson. Pepperton peeped up on two little stars. Beautiful, said Pepperton, and the two friends stairgaze all night long. You know what stairgaze mean? They just like have you ever seen something you like and you just can't stop looking at it? So that's what they did. So I'm going to ask you a couple of questions. Who are the characters? Okay, so you should know what a character is by now. Who are the characters in the story? And who came to visit? Who came to visit? Who came to visit? What was my other question? What did they decided to do? What did they decided to do? Oh, what time of the day did Hudson visit Pepperton? What time of the day? Oh, what did they decide to do for fun? So, I have another question. Why did Pepperton close his eyes? What was the problem? Why did he close his eyes? So these are questions you need to answer to your mom and dad, and also go back to the video and find out so you know what the answer is. Oh, I have another question. How was the problem solved? What was the problem? And how did they solve the problem? Where was the story? How was the problem solved? Oh, who helped solve the problem? Okay. Who helped solve the problem? Oh, I have another question. Why was Pepperton so scared? Scared of what? Okay, so that's the end of the story. So parents, if you have questions, ask your kids more questions relating to the story, and then I'll do a second part at a different time. So this is part 1. So ask them questions so you could build their comprehension. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and then subscribe so when I do the other videos, so you could get to see them first. Alright, so parents, posez ti moun yo question pou yo ka comprendre question. Si yo gen ti problem, répondre question mwen pose yo, retourner back dans vidéo pour yo ka répondre aux questions yo. Okay? So Miss Jerome-Severe, à bientôt. This is Miss Jerome-Severe. See you later.